How to fix Facebook technical problem refresh to try again issue. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the technical problem refresh to try again error on Facebook step by step. So here, this issue usually pops up when you're trying to load your feed or post something or open comments. So here, let's fix that quickly. So here in this video, I'll show you some steps that you can try to solve this issue. So here, let's start with the step one, that is to check your internet connection. So here, first make sure that your internet connection is stable. So here, if you are on Wi-Fi, you can try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Or you can also toggle airplane mode on or off to refresh your connection. And with that, moving forward to the step two, that is to restart the Facebook app. So here, if you have opened the Facebook app, then you can simply close it and reopen it again because sometimes the app just glitches for a short time and restarting can clear that temporary error. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear Facebook app cache. So here simply long press on the app icon and now here from the pop-up menu simply tap on app info. And now here, once you are in the app section at the bottom right corner, you can see the option labeled as clear data. So simply tap on it. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on clear cache and confirm it. And here, once you do that, it will remove the temporary corrupted files and it can refresh your app. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to update the Facebook app. So here, you need to make sure that your Facebook app is updated. So to do that, simply go to the Play Store and now here, once you're inside the Play Store, simply search for the Facebook app. And now here, once you search for it, here, if you find any update button beside the Facebook app, then you should simply tap on update if there is any newer version available. Because old version often have bugs that cause this refresh error. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to check Facebook service status. So here, if the problem still appears, then the possibility is that Facebook servers might be down. So there, you can simply go to the websites like Down Detector to check and search for the Facebook app. And here, if you see the spikes in the reports, then you just have to wait for the issue to end. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to re-log in or reinstall. So here you can simply log out of your account or you can simply uninstall the app and reinstall it again. And this usually fixes most persistent technical errors. And that's it. That's how you can fix technical problems, refresh to try again later issues on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.